supposedly nga wala ng endo. Wala ngang endo as we know it, but merong endo pa rin in terms of pagpasok doon sa agencies. Hindi mo malaman kung magiging stable ka. Palipat-lipat ka or the more gigs you have, parang the more you're sort of reaching that stability, pero actually hindi pa rin.
Most people, I guess, are familiar what endo is. It's end of contract. It was a big issue in labor about contractualization. And it's easy to see that as a system, like a problem with the system. That's true. But what is usually lacking is an understanding of how it affects the people who are subjected to this endo.
In terms of content or in terms of theme, meron kang isang material na talking about endo, labor, workforce.
Realidad yung buong palabas na ito eh. Decades na natin problema ang contractualization, tapos yung mga trabahador na palagi na lang nawawalan ng trabaho nang hindi nila alam kung kailan sila magkakaroon ng stable na buhay.
For example, yung character ni Tanya, talagang lahat pinapasukan din niya, pero meron din siyang goal na gusto. And when we also retained that friction or that tension between ito yung goal ni Tanya, pero paano to maapektuhan yung love life niya.
Tanya is a girl na may pangarap, na gusto niya achieve yung pangarap na yon as soon as possible. Pero dealt with siya with cards sa buhay na hindi niya agad-agad ma-achieve yung dream na yon, pero go-getter siya, kaya lahat ng pwede niyang gawin para ma-achieve yung dream niya, gagawin niya.
Isa siyang siguradong tao sa buhay niya. Alam niyang ito talaga yung path na gusto niyang tahakin. Alam niyang ito talaga yung makakatulong sa kanya. She doesn't like to settle and just doing the same thing. She knows na may kaya siya.
Hindi mo sisingilin yun?
Saka na? Saan mo gusto pumunta?
Dance someone.
Ikaw? Kahit saan?
Nurse! Nurse Tanya!
Pamilyar sa akin si Leo at yung mundo na ginagalawan niya kasi si Leo ay kaibigan ko. Si Leo ay mga naging kaklase ko. Alam mo yun, na ngayon nakikita ko pa rin sa aking tunay na buhay. Feeling ko nga kahit motor, pareho kami kasi naka-scooter din ako. And si Leo kasi motorista din siya, literal. Nagmo-motor siya through the city, making his way, surviving his way in the streets of Quezon City.
Si Leo kasi, siguro yung pagkakapareho namin is yung pagiging hardworking and talagang kung anong pwedeng subukang gawin para maging productive or merong makuha dun sa bagay na yun, gagawin. Ang problema kasi kay Leo, hindi firm yung decision niya in life eh. Alanganin siyang mag-step out sa comfort zone niya para mag-try ng mga bago at mas ma-explore pa niya yung sarili niya at mga possibilities niya na pwede ma-achieve in life.
Girl, hindi yung level sa didikit yung papel sa balat mo ng kusa. Feel ko yung I care for my skin. Deserve ko to. Deserve natin to!
Si Candy. Si Candy. Si Candy. Si Candy na napaka-kulit, napaka-likot, napaka-free-spirited. Na minsan gusto ko maging mas tulad niya. Gusto ko yung pagiging straightforward ni Candy. Gusto ko yung tapang niya at yung pagiging go-getter ni Candy na I wish I can be more like her.
She's a very free-spirited person. She's untethered, kumbaga. Pero not to judge the character, I think that she has so much life and so much that she wants to do. Wala lang siyang direction eh. So yeah, it's been fun. It's fun getting to discover how else and what else there is to Candy.